Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to Mr. Techfox. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Mac wallpaper with just one click. Super fast and super easy. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So let's get right into it. First of all, go to your desktop and now right click anywhere on the screen where there are no icons. So I'm gonna click on the right button and here you will see an option Change Wallpaper. Click on it. This instantly opens your wallpaper settings. No need to go through system settings manually. Now look over here. There are a lot of categories here. For example, dynamic wallpapers, landscape, cityscape, and so on. Just choose whatever you want. There is another category also, and that's colors. You can choose whatever the colors you want. On the other hand, if you want to set a photo as your wallpaper, just normally click on this Add Photo button and now choose it by clicking on this Choose and then select the photo from your Finder. And if you set it, then it will be your next wallpaper. So now I'm going to show you an example. For example, if I click on this landscape wallpaper and then it will be changed into it. Here you can see that my wallpaper has been changed. So that's it. Now you know how to change your wallpaper in just a click. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.